I'm Nina Kay, your executive recruiter. This is your daily blueprint for high-level career growth. You are a rising executive. You've mastered the hard work. But to advance in your career, hard work alone isn't enough. I'm not just a headhunter. I'm a certified life coach. I bridge the gap between your resume and your reality. Landing a VP role means nothing if you are miserable. We are going to align your paycheck with your purpose. I will show you how to navigate boardroom politics, negotiate equity like a shark, and crush imposter syndrome. We aren't just looking for a job. We are architecting a legacy that fits the life you actually want to live. I see thousands of candidates. I know exactly what the top 1% of companies are looking for right now. And I am going to make sure that the person they are looking for is you. If you are ready to stop climbing blindly and start leading with intent, you're in the right place. Class is in session now. Hit follow and like. Let's build your future today.